All right, so guys, we're here. We're waiting on to pick up something at this place. We're gonna sample some music. See if it's not too loud.
You can do anything.
Yeah, it's chopped and screwed. That's what they call it. It's chopped and screwed.
Just make sure it's chopped up and not slopped up. Cause if you get slopped up, baby, you can't blame me. So I'm a chop.
Y'all just wait with me. We right here waiting. We wait right here.
Let's get your mind right. Think about that.
We're here. Well, I guess y'all saw where I was. Shit. It's okay. Y'all know what song this is. Blame it on the goose, set the loose. Hey, catch me. Hey, hey. Chopped and screwed. Just wait with me. We're not gonna be doing that. So we ain't gonna be blaming it on that. Let's hear another song. Let's hear another song, guys, just in case. Let's see what we got here. I like this one. Just cause I'm not there, baby. Something about a soldier and his boy. Hey baby, I'm not gonna make this too long. It's probably just for our entertainment. That's the issue. Want to kiss you. Right now, so baby. Oh. See you later. Kiss me through the phone. So, I like that song too. Hey baby, I know that you like me. Your white face. This is my other favorite song. This is my most favorite song actually. No one knows she just so fearful of falling for me. I think that's right because everyone falls. You just be careful of falling and stinging. Do you hear what I'm saying? She said I hate your love. Sometimes I stare at that. It's such a cold world. And if you gon' hear stuff, niggas be on tires and bears. Everything's scared. The ice girls and jungles, there's no need to question love. Just tell us there. Cause when it's meant to be, you know eventually love can be crazy, emotionally, mentally. Mix is crazy, yeah. Instrumentally, love so is spiritually animals
I
like
just like the beginning. That part right there, that's all I really like.
She just so fearful of falling from me. I think that's right because everyone falls. You just be careful of falling and standing there.
Do you feel what I'm saying?
She said I hear you. Sometimes
Y'all, let me cut this down.
such
Alright, so they are taking forever. We'll just look at this trash can right here. As if I ordered a boatload of stuff. I did not order a lot of things. Just a couple things. So this video is reaching its end. Right at the 6-minute mark. See you on the other side.